Halo guys, selamat pagi, gua Yuurai. Intronya gimana?
Lagi streaming Yur.
Ya, iya.
Parah sih. Baik banget intronya.
Gimana? Apa budak korporat yang suka ngegame gitu ya?
Berarti gua tulis terus diapalin.
Cuma anjir. Gua kalau intro gitu keren anjir.
Pavel's almost certainly going to hang.
Kenapa nge-frame banget dah?
Beli map.
Bentar.
Anti miasma. Namanya kenapa gak langsung antidot gitu anjir. Nama ribet.
Nge-frame banget anjir, benar. Maaf. No. Ya udah, apa lagi anjir?
Anjir kenapa cewek tuh normal wajahnya.
Gak ada yang nonton kan? Oke. Sambil cari-cari info. Semoga lancar.
Air.
Pavel's almost certainly going to
Beneran anjir, berat banget itu anjir.
Second sister. Ya, bala-bala. Tapi dia cantik tadi.
Cantik.
Peng. Terjadi ya.
fucks you up.
Poison ya.
Kepencet.
It's just my imagination after all. Oh, Metro heard that. No! No! My mother is a whore!
Oh, anjing.
Good! Now we're talking. And since she's a whore... Shit. Sleep deprivation...
Now I know you're crazy. If you're here, no one is watching your stash.
You done there? Huh? The spark's gone?
Done my ass. I told you, man, you shouldn't have sent that crab-handed guy to the camp. He was useful, even if he wasn't.
Yeah, when we beat the shit out of Hansa, we'll have the techies, the whores, and whatever else you want 24/7 and all for free. But in the meantime, you go to the bridge, check out what's smoking there.
Lanjut dikasih needle, mampus kau.
I hope no commie's gonna jump me now. Seems like that kind of place. Shit.
That incompetent. Lights out again. If you want something done, better do it yourself.
Ugh, the boredom's killing me. I almost wish the rats would attack. Hey, was it?
Mati kau.
Well, I hope no commie mutants attack now. What was that?
Mati kau.
As soon as we're back.
Wah, bantai semuanya coy.
Attention everyone! Roll call! Farm, is there anyone alive there?
Oke.
The fuck do all you people want?
Buntu guys.
Gini lah.
Who's there?
Don't shoot, man. Take anything. But please, don't kill me. Don't kill me, please.
Enggak.
I won't kill.
On one of their own. Bastards. God, do I hate this life. People are worse than beasts. I don't know.
Ya apa enggak anjir? Jelas.
Did you hear that? We're still on alert. You could at least have your gun at the ready.
I've got my gun in my pants, while you left yours at the whorehouse.
Yeah, that gun of yours is going to be so much fucking help when the Reds come for your ass.
Drink will hit this spot for sure too.
Mati.
Oh, si anjing. Senjata baru, wis. Maksimum mana? Tek nambah. Enggak.
Oke, sabar.
Everything's A-okay here.
Critical chance-nya turun 5%.
Shit. So few bullets. If the commies jump us, what do we fight them with? Shit.
Pas cok. Defense-nya nambah. Golden Emerald.
What?
Mati kau.
Hidupnya.
Shit. Cover what? Let's just wait.
Jalannya kemana coba anjir?
Hey,
Poison.
Shit, I'd love to kill me a commie right now. Everyone's a veteran, but me.
Oh shit.
They just had to put me here.
Did he know?
This is my luck. Crap.
Yep.
Turunnya gimana, Evin?
Oh, Tadi lewat sono.
Trial of the captured spy from the Red Line is starting. All right, citizens free from their duties are encouraged to attend.
Oh, are you going to watch? Say he's going to hang.
I've seen enough executions. Though I should let my son see. He keeps misbehaving at school. So I'll show him what awaits poor students.
What did they spare this red? Send him to dig tunnels.
The noose is already...
What good is watching a guy hang anyway, huh? Jiggling with piece flowing down his legs. What happens?
It's good for morale. And it tightens this. Fuck that. Let's play cards. A bull to hand.
German execution. Eh? Who's that? Hey! The commies are near!
Ada yang gede. Holy shit.
We're taking casualties! Careful!
I'm gonna eat you for this. Casualty!
Does it hurt?
Casualty!
Come on, brother. Ya udah mati gitu. Isi banget.
Satu pun gimana sih?
I
Dulu aja lah.
surrender! Surrender! I'll put my weapon down and come out now. Don't shoot.
Yep.
Bisa ya?
Ada apa-apa? Coba kesini dulu. Juga nggak ada apa-apa, anjir.
Давай, проклятье заклеменный мир, рабочики, наш разум смущенный и смертный.
Gimana?
The trial of the captured spy from the red line is right. Citizens free from their duties are encouraged to attend.
Bisa turun lagi dong.
Fuck you, Fritz! Oh, death to the Nazis! Our day will come. Remember.
Hey,
Bisa guys.
Let's move! It's gonna be another Stalingrad around here.
Come on. Okay, nice buddy. Menyelamatkan teman coy.
I dragged Pavel out of the noose, and he says he's going to take me as close to police as possible. Then I'll contact the Order and report on everything that has happened. The path to the legendary theater lies through the catacombs. I've never been here before, and without my new friend, I'd probably be completely lost. I hope he knows the way.
Okay, nice.
That's the way to do it, bro! Just like the three musketeers, if there were two of them. You ever read the book? Really confusing, but I fucking love it. Always wanted to be Athos. You can be D'Artagnan, huh? Alright, we're short on time. We go to theater from here, then you off to police. I head back home to the Red Line, okay? I don't like how they gave up the chase and locked the gate behind us. Not a good sign. Shit!
Fifth, come in.
Jelek.
Fifth here. Cut the lights in that tunnel. They are dead now. Got that?
Dead meat?
Poison ini.
Ё-моё! What the hell?
Just have to see
Just
what
have to see
to
about
happen.
that. To hell with it. There's no retreat, Spartan. Moscow's right
Come
behind
on,
us.
Spartan.
Stop! Блять. That's why the Nazis cut the lights. These things hate it. Okay, Spartan, a short lesson. Bullets won't cut it here. But since they're afraid of light, let's take the light to them, okay?
Okay.
Now don't you turn that light off. Understand, we're in a world of hurt without it. A cave in? Looks like they blew the tunnel up. Well, maybe something on the other side that could stop with the bullets. Wait. I feel a draft. There's got to be a way through somewhere. Artyom, help me with this.
Okay. Iya.
Shit! Cobwebs all around. Так. These little ones couldn't make all of this. There must be bigger beasts around. Чувак, be careful not to wake them up. Shit! They're close! Wait, Artyom, don't rush.
Oke.
Careful here. Looks clear to me. Let's go.
Itu ngantuk anjir.
Buset. Kutukan Stardom masih.
Iya.
That's high. Definitely no climbing up this one. Okay. Let's hope the elevator works all right. Yes! Generator online. Clear.
Bisa naik kok.
Monsieur? Let's take this baby for a ride, huh? So, are we going?
Yep.
What the? Why did it stop?
I have a bad feeling about this.
Breakers out or what? Shit. Come on! Блять! They heard us. Ё-моё, we're right in their fucking nest. Shit. That's a lot of them.
What the fuck?
It's got a hole! Eat this, bitch! See its belly? That's the only vulnerable spot. Their top armor's just too tough.
Oke.
Okay, Artyom, if we run into one of these things, put your light on it till it flips belly up, you understand? The bastards hate the light more than anything. Come on, follow me. Fucking bitch! Look! Light! Right, блядь! There you have it, bitch! Whew. Thanks, чувак. One for all, huh?
Buka.
Here.
Sampai sini.
The bridge. I heard about it.
Cun lagi
The
ya.
other shouldn't be far now. Oh, that's high. Let's move.
Can you jump it?
Ah, them again.
Dapat goldnya dari mana
All the
ya?
more, Artyom. I'll try to get us over.
Gold tricor.
Great. This will do. Artyom, come help me pull this out.
Wah, anjir luas.
Do like I do.
Hai.
Into the car.
Lagi ngecas.
Enggak cantik.
Shoot it when it's open. You see the store that good left. Now. Here, I'll give you a lift.
Bro, no.
Shit! Get inside. Artyom, ahead.
Nice. Oh, my best friend.
Faster, faster, move it. Here! Ready?
Let's go.
Let's go!
Woo.
You alright, Artyom? Come on!
Oke.
Let's go!
Bentar, ini suara gua masuk kan aman berarti.
Right, there! Let's go! How do you like this, huh? How do you like this, bitches? Whoa. Okay, we're safe here.
Rehat dulu kah?
Wait a minute, Artyom, it's bad without the light. Let me make a torch or something. Alright. Light up!
Dunia.
Alright, let's go. Shit! Artyom! Keep close to me!
Oke.
Get lost! Sure! Sure! Get lost! Sure! Sure!
Sure, sure. Mohon bentar lagi.
Kenal ya.
Shit, looks like there's an electric lock. Okay, the wires go... Ah, over there. Hey, look, D'Artagnan. You've got the light. If you follow the wires, there should be a fuse box somewhere. Used to power the gate, but the battery is surely dead now. When you find it, attach your charger to it. Then we'll try to open the door, okay?
Oke. Puas. Kaget. Si baterai dulu tuh. Lah, lewat mana anjay? I hate spider.
Wah, beneran ngantuk.
Oh ini.
Oh, that was cool. Genius. Good
Ini
thinking.
mode serius
Ready?
ini. Lawan bos.
First up. Follow me.
Okay.
We're almost at the theater now. The metro entrance should be pretty close. But however small the distance is, we'll have to cover it on the surface. And there, every step you take could well be your last.
Sabar, cok. Heal.
Chuvak, we're here. Pull yourself together. We don't have long before nightfall, okay?
Okay.
Okay, with the tunnel collapsed, the only way to reach the escalator down to theater station is cross the surface. And trust me, we don't want to be caught out here in the fucking dark. Opa, we're in luck, Artyom.
Ya elah.
This place
Mati
seems
lu.
lived in.
Mati.
Rangers probably, I don't know. And when there are rangers... Shit! Short-term fielders. We'll have to make do. Now come on, take what you need. We're all brothers in the metro.
Oke, ada mas.
Hey, приятель, I could use a good watch like yours. Knowing how much air you
Good
got
trick
left is a
or-
must, huh? You know, I've heard of things roaming around that even bullets can stop. You have been through some bad shit, I know, but not like what's coming. Artyom, remember, if you want to live,
Oh, ini jelek apa?
don't drop your guard for an instant, okay?
Oke. Wah, silau coy.
Dan damage yang instan.
Whoa, that's impressive. I heard about this place. That plane was headed into Moscow when the whole city caught fire. The building where it crashed, that's the entrance to the theater. The ice is thawing up here. It's almost like spring, huh, Artyomich? Maybe we'll live to see the summer. Wait. There's got to be an underground path somewhere around here. The Rangers would never cross the square out in the open. Okay, we could walk down the wing here. Okay, so much for the sun. Those clouds moved in fast.
Oh, what the hell?
Ё-моё! Рейн!
Oh, terus banget.
Radioactive. She almost feel it burning through my glove.
Masih tebel dia.
There's the crossing. Let's head there. Hey, приятель. Keep your headlight charged. Watch my back, cover your corner. Slowly now. Check the filters until something bad goes back. They say these tunnels shelter most of the mountains. A good communist doesn't believe in souls, Artyom. But this fucking place of death makes me, wonder. Let's go out to the light.
Oke. Buku.
Check that service room.
Pack dot skin.
Wah, bikurista. Oh.
Apa bisa upgrade 2
Wah, telingaku. Senjatanya kok hilang. Machine gun gua. Nah.
You okay, чувак? You're all covered with blood.
That's okay.
Артем, stop! Get down now! Watchman! Ё-моё, huge pack! The storm must be driving them. I smell trouble. Stay calm, Artyomыч. If they spot us, we'll be ripped to shreds.
Watch.
Shit! That was close. Okay, Artyom, no more tricks like that. Let's get to the plane before another pack comes through.
Okay.
Move it! I've heard stories about this place. Weird shit happens here. Hey, try opening it. I'll give cover. Jump! Бля, let's try together. Moving.
4 jam.
Aman kah?
Look, Artyom, don't lose your head in here. You understand me? Okay, let's go. One ranger told me this was a flight from Mallorca. Family is returning from vacation, you know? You know, Artyom, I've never been to the sea, or even on a plane myself. Yeah, well, wasn't meant to be.
Dan dulu guys, lanjut besok. Udah jam 12.
Udah jam 12 atau udah ngantuk?
I don't know, I feel...
Udah mau makan lagi anjir.
Chuvak, are you seeing this shit too?
Aduh. Pusing.
Artyom, what is this? Ё-моё! Look! They're alive!
What the hell was that? Shit! We're losing power! Double check the whole tower! Flight 76715 here! Where was that Friday? Ask them! Shit! The tower's gone! Donna! We're going down! Speed!
What the heck?
I can't get anything! Oh my god! Shit! Shit! What's going on here? Get hold of yourself! Come on! Come on! Stop! Piece of shit!
What the hell?
Don't panic! We're gonna land!
Where?
Breathe. I had to breathe. Smoke. Smoke, too much smoke.
Where?
My friend.
Artyom. What? Really? If you hadn't woke me, I'd probably have suffocated. Like the others did. Oh, like this.
Like this one here. Okay, let's get out of this place now. Now! Artyom, go right. I think we'll find the entrance behind the building. Shit, the demon! Take it down!
Oke. Aduh.
Fucking demon. Good, you owe me
What the hell? Lah kenapa anjir?
Now. Shit, the demon! Take it down! Coming at you! I'm going to make it drop you! Fucking demon. Good, you owe me one. You okay? Harry, we almost did it.
Masih 4 menit.
Fucking watchman. As soon as we moved away from the plane and we were almost there, huh? Get ready. They're moving in from the second floor. Okay. The entrance to the theater is around the next quarter.
Oh,
We have to
ramai
move
banget,
now. Follow me, faster. Come over here. Go. Give me a hand. Faster. More are coming. Bля, you gotta find the entrance. Above you. Come on! Shit, too many of them. We have to ward the station. Get to the escalator. Hurry
Okay.
up, now! Move down, they're still after us. Open up! Open up, блядь, let us in, you bastard! There you are!
Wah,
Inside, move!
oh what the hell?
Like a stroll through the park, huh?
Masih ada ngejokes.
Our short visit to dead Moscow, the phantom of the past, is over.
Pavel.
Pavel and I helped each other out again and are returning down to the metro as real partners now. You can't survive the wastelands any other way. But now ahead of us lies a populated station, the theater. It's very close to Polis. If Pavel manages to lead me through the red line guard posts, I'll be home in less than an hour.
Okay, come on in.
Sehat,
Sorry
Cora.
about that. Dangerous times, right?
We're going up soon. Are there many watchmen around?
We were lucky to get here. Okay, there's a nest in the building by direct plane.
No wonder I had such a bad dream today.
Oh, you want a nightmare? Oh, it's waiting for you up there.
No sense going with just 3 men. To clear a nest, we need a couple squads at least.
You're cool. Come on in.
Artyomich, so, if it's culture you want, the Bolshoi is up there above us. All the actors who survived are here. Oh, people come from all over the metro to see the shows they put on.
So what are you running from?
Before each campaign, a lot of people in the Reich are killed
How
occasionally.
could this happen? We've been in the Reich all our lives, and now we're freaks?
This happens all the time.
Oh,
So, that's our plan. The station next to this one is Revolution Square. One of ours. Red. And Revolution is spitting distance to Polis. So, I, as a good communist, which I am, will vouch for you. They'll have to let you through, and you'll be home in no time. What do you think?
Are you the one they just told us about?
Yes, we are.
Great, come in then.
So, my Spartan friend, have a look around. There's plenty to see here, huh? I'll talk to my people and find you.
oke.
Welcome, and have a good rest.
Beli weapon di mana? Beli weapon.
Bullets for the last surviving theatrical critic. Bullets for mercy on your soul.
Here we sit, drinks, party lights, and all around us radiation, death, decay.
Wow. That is a really appetizing smell you have here, Senor. Is it something new?
Yeah, show something we know. Kostya, Kostya, when did you come back?
Market, nice.
I'm going to come even further. Have you got enough money to last a week?
Then my life is over.
Yeah, best stopping power of them all. Simply the good riddance. Well, come back if you need any.
Grenades! Affordable and serious firepower.
Shot.
Indispensable for self-defense.
Sebenarnya ini doang.
Twin barrels are great as they are. Add 2 more and get a veritable hand cannon. Buy these, and you'll never have to fear bandits anymore.
Customers. Aku nggak suka ini anjir.
Throwing knives, silent and deadly.
Well, feel free to drop by.
Bullets, purchase, exchange, sale. Shit. We can still make it to Stalkers instead of near 8. Look, I got money for 3 days.
Satu anjir.
Drinks are on me. Good luck. Come again. Bullets and other stuff. Stock prices around. Man, if you ever need help with, like, carrying something heavy from the surface.
Fresh fish from Venice. Fish, smoked,
This is great stuff. The
best
you'll find. Well, happy self-defense.
Bullets exchange.
Mediknya beli di mana anjir?
Well, good luck. You're always welcome here.
bluefin hung in season for a month in dry storage.
Leather. Best leather goods. Original designs. I don't know. It's prohibited. Maybe I'll just get a deal.
I just can't hit a woman, but you are an entirely different subject.
Wow. Halo, anjay ada gelas. Sorry baru baca.
Well, Artyom, I made all the arrangements. We can go to the Revolution. They will let us in through the theater.
When you change your mind, it's all begun. Wait a minute, I got to think.
Halo gelas, apa kabar gelas?
Look, there's another twist there. If you don't buy this, He's sure to.
Did you hear that? Oh, sure. Come in.
Nonton kah?
Well, Stanislavski, you can watch the show if you like. I'll wait for you at the dressing room.
Maestro, if you'd be so kind. The can.
Wah, kok ya bayi gitu anjir. Enggak ah, beda ramah string.
Artyom, no? Enjoyed the show? Sorry, man. Time to move on. You patron of the art.
Pavel Ivanovich,
What the
so
hell?
glad to see you. Where have you been? You don't like us anymore?
Helen, no, что? I'm totally in love with you girls, but I've been busy with work. I'm very, very sorry. I'll come back soon. I promise. Yeah, ты сучу губу.
Jana, let me use your power.
In your dreams, you have your own. Use that.
It's no good.
Orang rahasia kah?
Can't your boyfriend buy you something better? Her boyfriend is cheap, that's why.
Artyom, looks like you're a bit woman hungry, huh? Well, yes, it's a hard life without a soft woman, I know.
Hey, I got a woman.
Anyways, I tell you, we should be going, but let's drink to the fact we are still alive, huh? It's on me, okay?
Here you are. Two of our specials from the old stock. Been infusing it for half a year.
Опа, that's great. So, let's drink, Artyom.
Thank you, udah dibayarin. So.
Smooth stuff, huh? And this is a good place, but home is the best, you know? You know, I've traveled all over the metro and people talk all kinds of shit about the Red Line. That it's awful there, there's no food, that we shoot comrades for nothing, and you can't even tell a joke without getting arrested. Wait, let's have another drink. Here goes, Artyom!
Let's go.
Wow. So, yes, our life is a bit strict. One party, one leader, one ideology, but we have order. And everything is shared. Food, medicine, fuel, shelter. No rich men, true, but no beggars either. Another drink. And now, to equality. Come on, Artyom. No, пей до дна. Хорошо прошла. Where was I? Yes.
Mabuk coy.
Look at the far stations. They freaking eat each other, sell their kitted slaves. It's like the Stone Age. Left to his own devices, a man becomes a beast. You know, order is all that matters. That's our salvation. So you can believe whatever, but I am red. I am red until the day I die. I drink to order. Блин. Come on, Artyom, come on. Bottoms up.
Cheers.
Bottoms up. So, my friend, that's how it goes. Don't be mad, Artyom. Just doing my job to protect the Red Line. And you, Musketeer, are from the wrong side of the barricade. Privates, take this comrade in.
Yes, Majors. Yes, sir.
Lu major. I trust you.
Welcome back, Comrade Major.
It is private.
That was so stupid of me. I bought that talk of friendship. The stupid musketeer saying, "Just you wait. I will get even." I wonder though, why did Pavel go through the trouble of trapping me?
Pengkhianatan.
Move it.
Hey, stop that, блядь! It's just being over enthusiastic, you know? Artyom, look, I think of you as my friend, really. But as a soldier, you understand that I had to follow my orders and bring you here, okay?
Ah, damn you.
Now, you're under arrest, but perhaps it's not the end of the line for you. I hope.
I trust you.
Good day, sir.
At ease, товарищ. So, you're doing good here? Are you not?
Yes, sir. Comrade Moskvin is here, inspecting the troops.
The Secretary General here? What about Comrade Corbett?
Yes, sir. Comrade General is here too.
Opa, it's my lucky day, huh? Okay, things are moving faster than we anticipated.
Move it!
Look, Artyom, you're a smart guy, so we understand there is no such thing as coincidence. You are here because we need you, and you have information. So, my advice to you, my friend, cooperate.
Keluar kandang buaya, masuk kandang
But don't
singa.
worry, I got your back. Because we are what? Musketeers! All for one, and one for all. But your comrades in the order, their motto is all for us. War is coming, my friend. That bunker you guys found, whoever controls it survives, and fuck the rest of us. But we have been preparing for this. And I want you to join us, too. Good day, Comrade General.
Comrade Morozov, I was beginning to think you had not survived your mission.
I was captured, Comrade Corbett.
What
This
the
stranger
hell?
here, saved me.
What a coincidence. Isnitsky, you're one of the Spartan Rangers. Do you know this man?
Yes, sir. His name is Artyom. Miller trusts him. They found D6 together. He's also earned several commendations since official enlisting with the Order.
Well, I am overjoyed to meet you, Comrade Artyom.
I
think
kill
we
all of
both
you.
have something to offer. Take the comrade to the negotiation room. Young man, let's dispense with the introductory probing and cut to the chase. This telepathic mutant, the so-called Dark One, is of extreme scientific significance. Tell me all you know about it, and I will allow you to keep your life and your job with the Rangers. But as my spy, an operative, just like those musketeers, one for all and all for...
Secretary General Comrade Moskvin.
Korbut, I need a moment. And what do we have here? Another enemy of the revolution? Perfect. As you have always noted, Lyonya must start learning how to improve his people skills.
As a matter of fact, we were...
Put away your truth serums. I'll show you a more traditional Red Army method. Faster and more effective. You shit! Spill your guts now! Tell everything you know of these six! Fuck! Still nothing, huh? Bitch! You talk, or I'll fry your balls in pig fat! Passwords, code names, operation protocols.
What are you doing, Dad?
This is called interrogation, Lonya. Interrogation. Business as usual. What? You never did that playing dolls?
No!
You little shit! There's no power without
Without
blood!
blood.
There is! Your brother ruled peacefully, and they still love him!
Get back here! God damn it! All right. Use your drugs. Use hot pokers. Just get everything out of him and shoot the bastard. And then come to my office. We must talk. Come back here! You may be my
I must agree with Leonid. Brutality is a crooked path to information. I believe in science. One injection and you will tell us everything.
Apa ini? Wow. Dia menyelamatkanku.
I need you to go to Venice and take care of the locals who made the delivery. This will not be a cash payment. Understand?
Completely, sir. And what about the Dark One?
The creature has been located. The details are in this envelope. You will pick up the animal right after you go to Venice. Don't disappoint me this time.
I won't, Comrade General. I won't.
Fuck Korvat. Fuck my father. And Morozov. And the revolution and my own future. I'd rather be shot and end up like father. Killing his own brother. Listen. If you get out of here, just live!
What the?
Here! Get in there! This is the way to freedom. Believe me, I know. Well, good luck to you!
Thank you.
Finally, sit down, Corbett. Let's talk.
About the negotiations in Polis?
Ah, so you already know.
I am the head of intelligence, after all.
Then why did you let the information leak? Damn the refugees. Polis, Hansa, and even the fucking Nazis already know about our plans.
The rats will be... I have a way of doing it without
A
spilling
frontal
any
assault
blood.
is hopeless. But if we go underground at the church, advance through the catacombs, then attack from the rear, we should encounter little or no resistance. Then we just have to do a sweep.
Now I am in a real spider-infested catacombs, where the General Secretary Moskvin does not look like the head spider. That title clearly belongs to General Korbut. I sure would like to know what's on his mind. What did Lesnitsky bring him from D6? What's going to destroy the enemies of the revolution? Only questions
And no answers.
The only thing that is clear, Pavel has information on the Dark One, which makes him my current target.
Okay. Revenge time. Oke, lumayan dipakai. Anjing, lengkap banget ya. Oh. 8 menit itu. Oke. Cukup lah.
Shit. Quit shaking. The manual says it's the red wire, so that's the one you cut.
You got it yourself. I'll go there around the corner.
Kiss your pants already? Then watch a real man.
Well, if you're a real man, why are your hands shaking?
Hands don't mean shit. The important thing is nothing else shakes. Okay. Composed. Composed.
Hey, what the fuck?
Wire. The red wire. Huh?
I kill every one of you.
Second post. Come in. Second post.
Make up your minds already. First you order a patrol, then you expect me to sit here.
Second post. Come in. Second post.
What the hell? What am I supposed to do? Split in two? Second post here.
Second post. Report your situation.
Reporting. Group 8 left the facility using Tunnel 2.
Roger that, second post. Carry on.
What?
Yo,
What the hell are you doing here? Who's gonna patrol the premises? Me alone?
What's up with these
Come on,
rats?
get to work.
I don't understand it. It's still freezing.
Stay! Did you take care of the rats? I want them all burnt!
Commander, we're not Nazis. Shooting is one thing, but we can't burn people alive.
What do you mean? People? Shooting? Are you out of it?
Aren't you talking about the refugees?
What refugees? Let the special department handle them.
This
I'm
new war,
talking real
there's
rats,
a shit
tails
going
and
down
all.
the drain.
They've multiplied like crazy.
Down the hill.
So you go and do it! On the double!
Yes, sir.
Genial! You received the new weapon.
No, Commander. The quartermaster won't give me anything or sign any papers unless you are present.
To hell with
Who the hell is there?
Tell me, not replace your weapon. What was that? You're both going to the hole.
Shit, I have to check this out.
Hey, what the? Who is it?
We've got company!
Alarm! Here!
Freaking shit!
We're taking casualties! Give me one pin!
Can you bitch? Ya karena
You want a good guy?
Too many shrooms after all. Sleep deprivation those
What the
boys.
hell are you doing here? Who's gonna patrol the premises? Me alone? Come on, get to work, all of you.
Yes, sir.
Ivan, stay! Did you take care of the rats? I want them all burnt!
Commander, we're not Nazis. Shooting is one thing, but we can't burn people alive. What do you mean? Aren't you
Aduh, shit.
Me alone? Come on, get to work, all of you.
Yes, sir.
Ivan, stay. Did you take care of the rats? I want them all burnt.
Commander, we're not Nazis. Shooting is one thing, but we can't.
People, shooting? Are you out of it?
I have to stand guard here.
What?
Whatever comes this
Let
way.
the special department handle them. I'm talking real rats, tails and all. They've multiplied like crazy. So you go and do it. On the level.
Yes, sir.
Right. Let them come here if they want anything. Well, let them fix that shit. Right. Because if we leave our assigned post, yeah, they won't hear our excuses.
Give me anything or sign any papers unless you are present.
To hell with papers. Tell him he does not replace your weapon tonight. How about we guard going to know? For fuck's sake. As if they're jumping us. Dead! Shit! You!
Alarm!
He's dead!
You bastard!
Nah, emang harus tak bantai semuanya ini.
Too many shrooms after all.
Sleep deprivation does play in stakes.
What the hell are you doing here? Who's gonna patrol the premises? Me alone? Come on, get to work, all of you!
Yes, sir.
Ivan, stay! Did you take care of the rats? I want them all burnt!
Commander, we're not Nazis. Shooting is one thing, but we can't burn people alive.
What do you mean? People? Shooting? Are you out of it?
Aren't you talking about the refugees?
What refugees? Let the special department handle them. I'm talking real rats, tails and all. They've multiplied like crazy. So you go and do it!
What was that?
Yes, sir.
You little bastard received a new
Now you're gonna get some.
The Grandmaster won't give me anything or sign any papers unless you are present.
To hell with papers! Tell him he does not replace your weapon tonight. You're both going to the hole.
It's getting warm at that time. It's cold as usual.
Too many shrooms after all. Sometimes annoying. Fucking grass.
What's up with all these drafts? No matter how I stand, it's still cold.
All right. I've been ordered to assign you all some tasks.
Wasn't expecting that.
Construction's in a crunch mode. They're short on hands, so they're putting us on this.
Huh. I see.
Well, since you do, go on and give those two idlers something to do.
Yes, sir.
Find something to do yourself, too.
Okay, let's go.
Well,
Right. Let them come here if they want anything.
damn.
Well, let them fix
Okay.
that shit.
Cir,
Right. Because if we leave our assigned post,
turun lagi lah.
yeah, they won't hear our excuses.
I'll go move some boxes there.
Greg, I'll look busy here too.
Make it look good and we'll keep them off our asses. Who stacked these boxes? Fucking assholes.
Alarm! Hey, guys, anyone around? Attention! We got company! Get shit! Where from? Why would I know? Stealer! See him yet? No. Hiding somewhere.
What do we
do now? We look for him, genius!
$3.000 bro. Tuh gak ada tempat sembunyi nih. Ini kaget kok. Aku suka membantai-bantai. I got my knife back.
Who the hell is there? Still, I should go and check. Looks like some fuck. Where could he?
Hey.
Fuck sure did move here. Gonna be shrooms after all. Fuck. Where's the next shift anyway?
Amankah?
Goddamn, what's this? You're gonna pay, you pig! Man down! Man down! Casualty! I'm gonna get you with this!
Udahkah? Artyom hidden diary. Ooh. Oh, it is better. God damn. Gak ada apa-apa anjir. Stop it. Knife. Ah shit.
What the hell did they want? Probably the usual shit about safety precautions. As if we didn't sign in the book. We did, so what good is that? One asshole got run over by a crane last week.
Fucking drafts.
No, he lost a knife on a cable car. That was last month. We're talking last week. Oh, now I understand why they're going on about safety like that. That's my line. Who's gonna work if everyone is out of commission? Well, yes. I wish they'd fix that dumb radio or something. Makes me uneasy, you know?
Damn. Wish I could take a nap.
Wah, ada banyak coy. Kita skip aja dah. Oh, emang lewat sini ya berarti ya.
It's the damn drafts. Catching a cold definitely seems a possibility.
You know what? Let's do this.
Huh? Guys! The fish is...
Ini suruh kemana coba anjir? Benerkah duduk kesini tapi nggak ada tandanya? Oh my god, suruh kemana ini? Oh itu.
There's... Seems like someone... What was that? Who's there?
Yes, I'm ready.
Either my ears smell bad. Fucking ghost. Who the hell is there?
Standard.
Capel the drinking.
All right.
Everything else.
Okay, ладно.
Haha. Apa itu hide? Yuk. Terus aku butuh gas mas. Ya, bukan ke sini kan jalannya. Cukup. Terus kemana coba ini? Ya, jalan cuma itu aja. Satu-satunya jalan itu mana lagi? Yup, yup, yup. Bentar. Dari mana, coba? Kita di mana? Oke. Oh, lewat sini toh.
Did you accept the delivery and sign the manifest?
I sure did.
Where did you put the goods?
Wherever I had space left, top shelves mostly.
Can you be more specific?
Specific? Wherever I left the ladder. Goods. My shift's nearly over. Best of the other guy when he arrives.
All right. I'll go and check if everything's still there.
Hey.
Rame banget, jir.
Look, I have the list here stating that there's supposed to be 7 barrels and 11 crates.
Should be the case if it's stated there.
Shoot does not cut it. We have to make sure. We'll take the crates and the barrels.
Whatever you say. Let's cross-check it later, just in case we miss something.
What happened? Think of a way to fix this?
What, the crane or your pants?
And run you more away. Now, to the war. Now watch.
Who the hell invented the guard duty anyway?
It's your intelligence now. On your way, it's you.
Main musik dulu guys. Dar.
Are we going to stand here much longer?
Yeah, we should be coming back on the watch soon.
Did you ever do watch duty there?
Yeah, it's a creepy place. The station's nearby. There's the machine gun, searchlight, your comrades all around. Something rustles in the cobwebs and sound.
Sabar.
Why not burn those webs?
We do that all the time. In a couple of weeks, the damn beast had everything covered with that shit again.
Fuck damn.
Very stupid for me to get fired for this.
Are we going to stand here much longer?
Ya, machine gun gua mana?
Did you ever do watch duty there?
Yeah, it's a creepy place.
Kocak. Revolver gua mana? Masih anjing lah.
Dr. Fuckpin!
Mati dia. Nyeh. He said boss. Naik ini bah. What the fuck? Ke sana. Serem gitu.
Stay down, or your brain goes splat. Wait a minute. Artyom, is it you?
Yep, it's me.
I was able to send a report back to the Order via my old acquaintance, Andrew the blacksmith. At least Miller will know that I am alive, that I haven't completed the mission, but haven't resigned from it either.
Oh, hey, thank you,
That's
bro.
one serious pickle you're in. But I can help. I have friends, and they have friends who can relay everything you tell me to your guys from the Order. So, now you must return home to Polis? Well, there's no direct route. Everything's cordoned off here. But I believe the Order has an outpost nearby. On the surface, the church in the marshes.
Bentar, ada
Try that
telepon
place.
guys.